When it comes to video editing software, two popular options are Camtasia and Filmora. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features of each program to help you decide which one is best for your needs. First, let's start with Camtasia. This software is known for its screen recording and video editing capabilities, making it a great choice for creating tutorial videos, presentations, and online courses. Camtasia offers a wide range of features, including screen recording, video editing, and effects. It also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. On the other hand, Filmora is a more general video editing software that can be used for a variety of projects, including vlogs, short films, and social media videos. It offers a range of features, including video trimming, splitting, and merging, as well as color correction and audio editing. Filmora also has a user-friendly interface and is available for both Windows and Mac. In terms of pricing, Camtasia is generally more expensive than Filmora, with a one-time purchase option of around $300, while Filmora offers a subscription-based model starting at around $8 per month. When it comes to system requirements, Camtasia requires a more powerful computer, with at least 4 GB of RAM and a 2 GHz processor, while Filmora can run on a less powerful computer, with at least 2 GB of RAM and a 1 GHz processor. In terms of output options, both Camtasia and Filmora offer a range of export options, including MP4, AVI, and MOV, as well as the ability to upload directly to YouTube and other social media platforms. So, which one is best for you? If you need to create tutorial videos, presentations, or online courses, Camtasia may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a more general video editing software for a variety of projects, Filmora may be the way to go. Ultimately, the choice between Camtasia and Filmora will depend on your specific needs and preferences. It's worth noting that both Camtasia and Filmora offer free trials, so you can try out each program before making a decision. By considering your needs and trying out each program, you can make an informed decision and choose the best video editing software for your projects.